If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Ensure that the game servers are online and functioning properly. You can visit official social media pages or community forums for updates on server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Elden Ring installed. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them to ensure compatibility with multiplayer features. Step 3. Verify network connection. Test your internet connection to confirm that it is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Restart your router if necessary and consider using a wired connection for better reliability. Step 4. Adjust firewall and security settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Elden Ring. Add the game to the allow list or temporarily disable security software to see if it resolves the multiplayer issues. Step 5. Reconfigure multiplayer settings. In the game settings, review your multiplayer options. Ensure that you have enabled online play and that your matchmaking settings are correctly configured to allow for connections with other players. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your multiplayer experience in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.